Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create an outline in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and search for Google Docs. Okay, basically search for Google Docs and click on this first link, and from here you need to click on this option where it says go to Docs, and then from here you need to just click on this blank option here, and then here I will basically insert something here. I will basically write something here. Okay, so I will just use here like heading 1, then there will be like some text regarding to this, then will be like heading 2, and then there will be some text regarding to this heading basically. Okay, so now here you can see that we have this outline here, but we don't see any kind of outlines here. So why is that? Because we have to add titles or to our page here basically. Okay, so we will convert these. So we will select this one, and in this option here, in this styles option here, you can see that now this is a normal text. Okay, so we have to convert this. So we will select this text here, and we will click on this drop down menu, and we will click and we will basically convert this. If you want, you can choose any title, but I will just convert it into this heading. And here you can see that we have this outline here with this reference here that this is the first our heading here, and then I will convert this also heading 1. So here you can see that how you can basically make an outline here. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.